So in 2015 we installed the Signa Pioneer as one of 5 pilot installations globally, and since then we installed the upcoming releases. The system is now in a state in which is in no way comparable to 2015. We're still on cutting-edge technology with the current system. With the prior software version PX28 we introduced the AIR coils, the flexible coils that delivered us a lot of additional SNR and great image quality. With that come the workflow features, AIRX, automatic planning in neuro exams, and also AIR Touch, automatic selection of coil elements and coil positioning. And finally the reconstruction techniques, AIR Recon, and then the latest version, AIR Recon DL, with deep learning based image reconstruction. After installation of the new software, the very first images came out really impressive. We were really impressed by the extent of noise reduction we can notice in the images. So this example nicely demonstrates the extent of noise reduction by AIR Recon DL. On the left-hand side you see the regular perfusion image with relatively high noise, and on the right-hand side the denoised image by AIR Recon DL. So by implementing AIR Recon DL into most of our standard protocols, we've seen significant increase in image quality and also spatial resolution. And also we've observed a decrease in the scan times. So for example, for our standard shoulder protocol, we've been able to cut that down to about 5 minutes net scan time. Certain types of artifacts like Gibbs springing artifacts decrease with AIR Recon DL, and we really like that. And there is a significant difference to using image filters. While this may have also a negative impact on image quality and possibly decrease details in the images, we don't see this behavior with AIR Recon DL. This example nicely shows a series with a relatively small FOV and small voxel size, around 0.5 millimeters. And in the standard reconstruction we notice significant image noise, and in comparison with AIR Recon DL, significantly decreased while preserving details of the image. Once again, side by side, on the right hand side standard reconstruction, on the left hand side AIR Recon DL. We don't have any restrictions in terms of anatomy. We can use it in nearly all of our protocols. In prostate exam, according to the PIRATES protocol, we have significant time that is needed for the 3-plane T2 FSE, and using AIR Recon DL we've been able to significantly shorten this time from roughly 12 minutes to less than half, below 6 minutes. Also in L-spine we see much more appealing image quality due to the reduced noise level, and also we've been able to significantly shorten the scan times. AIR Recon DL delivers images that are just more appealing and less exhausting to read, because it's just easier to pick up the image details. And also it frees up some time we possibly can use to do an additional series where necessary, and I think therefore it definitely has a positive impact on diagnostic confidence. So due to the recent changes in the billing system, we've seen declining reimbursement for the individual examinations, and AIR Recon DL helps us to answer this challenge by increasing our productivity, by speeding up the individual protocols. And also due to the COVID pandemic, we need additional time for sanitation and cleaning after the patients, and AIR Recon DL helps to free up some time. An overall summary regarding AIR Recon DL, relatively short after introducing it, is that we're really impressed by the extent of denoising capability of the algorithm, and we will leverage this power into our protocols by increasing spatial resolution, increasing image quality, and also increase our productivity. So overall, it's very impressive.